Hey everybody, here's Lucas from Top Notch Music School. This is my little friend Luisete, and we're gonna do a little course on blues initiation on the piano. We're gonna start today with the left hand, okay? Something relatively easy, but it's gonna take some practice to get the groove going. Okay, so we're gonna put our pinky finger on the note C. Okay. C we have all over the piano. We're going to use this one here, which is the second starting from the left. Okay, and then the next note is G, and we play that with the pinky finger. Okay, that's how it sounds. So C, D, E, F, G. Okay. All right. So second one is A with our thumb, keeping the C note with our pinky finger, okay? So, and we already have this finger ready for the next note, which is A sharp, okay? And we still keep the pinky finger on the C. Then we go back to A and G. All right, so I'll play it a bit quicker for you with a bit of groove so you get what I mean. Okay? All right. So the next chord that we're going to play is the F here. So we go from C to F. All right, so C, D, E, F. And F we're going to play again with the pinky, and it's kind of the same concept, okay? So F with our pinky finger, and in this case C with our index finger. All right, like this, yeah? In case you're lost, this is F, G, A, B, C. And same concept, so C, keeping the F on the pinky, D, and D sharp. It's exactly the same position as the chord before. All right, and the third variant would be G. So one note, one tone higher here. Okay. G with our pinky finger. D with our index finger. D, E, and in this case we don't have a sharp, so we play the F. Okay? So here we go. Okay, so practice this for the next chapter, where we will learn how to combine these chords in a classic blues song. Have a great week, everybody. Hey, Lucas here from Top Notch Music School. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you later.